All right, guys, here we are, 14th day of April, 2024 at the Minneapolis Jewish Cemetery. I didn't realize this was here until I was looking at cemeteries, but here we are. It's a pretty big cemetery, a lot of room. So you got this big one, Hellman, big one. So all kinds of big headstones. I recognize a few of the names here from Oak Ridge Country Club. I don't know if Sid Hartman is buried out here or not, but Phillips, I recognize that. I don't know if he died, born in August and died in August. Pretty nice cemetery. I don't care what religion they are, people love to have big stones. Cooperman, Rodney, I recognize him from Oak Ridge Country Club. Rodney, love golf. Yep, I remember Rodney. Krupp. Probably recognize a lot of members. Cohen. I like that. I like you can sit down there. Surprised Wellstone wasn't buried here. He's buried over there at that Lakewood Cemetery over there in by Lake Calhoun. I'll call Lake Calhoun. I don't know if Hartman Sid is buried out here or not, but no regrets. You're damn right. Never have it. Damn right. $1913. Phyllis. Klein. It looks like a ready to go in there. Some coffin is. Yeah, I love that. You can come here and sit down and pay respects. I know rock's supposed to mean something. I remember I was watching the movie Schindler's List, and people put a rock on there. These are not cheap either. August 26th. Rest well, baby doll. That's a nice one. That's nice. Beautiful. Greg did in 2013. So it's a very big cemetery. Like that one's nice. He went Richie 2007. She went 2017. Let's go over here. Check out some. As I said, it's lots and lots of. It also goes by different names. It does. So I don't know all of it, but people have come through it, unfortunately, and kicked over headstones a long time ago. Those are not cheap, but nice, very nice. Those are forever remembered. Yeah, I like this one right over here. It's like how you can sit down and talk to the person, whatever else. Love mother, grandmother. Said I could. It goes for a long time. I'll try. You can get over there. You can see all those over there. I don't know if Sid's buried here or not. Sid Hartman. He was in my Deadpool. Grossman. If it's the same Grossman, they owned Grossman Chevrolet in Hopkins. He was a nice man. I don't think that was him, but Greenberg. I wonder if that's a Finkelstein from Oak Ridge over here. Oh my goodness, it's a big one. No, it's not him. Big sucker, oh my goodness. That sucker. Joined in marriage for 72 years. Oh my goodness. Well, she's still alive. He went in 2020, so. Goodness. So now we're going to get into some of these. Look at that. Said I can't get them all, but give you an idea how big this sucker is. Goodness. Goldstein. Say it like that. There are probably a few members from Oak Ridge, but we'll it's the first video. We'll get on a few more of this one. So anyways, you guys,